Hey, this is Tuan Aditya from Lighthaven. Today we're going to be doing some double knife work. Now, if you have been following the channel for a bit, you know that there are a couple of double weapon principles that I really like, at least double weapon coordination principles that I really like to stick to, or at least to teach in the beginning. Once you sort of understand these principles, understand the context of these principles, you can adapt or change things or evolve things. But in the beginning, these are pretty good reference points for how to work with double weapons, how to coordinate each weapon. Um, Generally, I talk about two major principles. One is when you're crossing your weapon in this sort of gunting or scissor motion. The other is when your one weapon is following the other weapon, whether it's from an angle 2 to an angle 1, whether you're slashing and flashing, one weapon is following the other weapon on the same side. It doesn't have to be the same level, so you can be high and low, but one weapon is following the other weapon. The drill I'm going to show you today is going to be combining both these principles. It's also going to be having a little bit of it's also going to play into what our eventual empty hands work is going to be. There are couple of things I really like to do empty hands, which is derived from double knife, and that's also going to be showcased in this drill. Before we begin though, it will mean a lot if you would subscribe to the channel. At the end of the video, if you like what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add to the discussion, leave that in the comments down below. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please also leave that in the comments down below. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. Our residential program is up and running, our online classes are up and running. So if you want to train with us either here in Goa or online, wherever you are in the world, hit us up through the email address I'm going to leave down below. We're going to be starting from our bladed stance. Um, we're also going to be doing the drill in the pakal grip or the ice pick grip. I'm going to be using the edge out version of this grip instead of the edge in. That's because I'm going to be using the edge to be slashing across my opponent or my imaginary opponent. I also am going to be using the hooking feature of this grip. So we're going to start with our right leg forward, a left leg back. I personally like to have both my feet facing 45 degrees to center line. I don't like to be completely 90. I find it easier to move if both my feet are sort of, this is center line, then both my feet are parallel to each other and they're sort of 45 degrees to center line. So I'm going to have both my knives up. I'm going to start with a simple jab, a high line jab. Now, you can either immediately go into the drill from this high line jab, or you can go high, low, high, and then do the drill. The option's up to you. Either way, we're going to start with the high jab. Now, as I do the high jab, I'm going to lean forward a bit, and then as I lean back, I'm going to scoop with my with the hook of my knife. So jab as I'm leaning back, I'm scooping, I'm cutting across. So I'm going to jab. As I lean back, I'm going to scoop, almost as if there's something coming back at me. Maybe it's a straight thrust, maybe it's a punch. I'm looking to scoop and cut across. So jab, scoop, cut across. Move, jab, scoop, cut across. What you can also do is lean forward with the jab. As I'm leaning back with that scoop, I can take a step back and cut as well. So jab, step back, and cut. This can be if your opponent is coming towards you. You're looking to scoop, cut as I slide my legs back. One more time. Jab, cut. This is a scoop to a cut. From here, the next movement that I'm going to do is I'm going to step across into my open triangle, 45 degrees. As I do that, I'm going to first go back to the beginning. Jab, scoop, cut. I'm going to imagine almost an angle 1 coming at me from here. So I'm going to go across this and meet it almost with an angle 2 as I step 45 degrees with my left leg. Now at the same time, as I bisect the line, step into my open triangle, I'm also going to be cutting upwards. So imagine angle 1 is coming at me from here. I'm going to be bisecting, cutting upwards as I'm moving that hand down and moving to the outside of my opponent. So one more time, jab, step back, scoop, cut, bisect, step, cut across. Again, jab, step back, scoop, cut, angle 1 is coming. I'm going to bisect, cut up and step as I'm doing it all at the same time. I am I'm intercepting the oncoming angle one here, pushing it down as I'm cutting up and stepping to the outside of my opponent's shoulders. Moving on from here, the next bit of my footwork is I've stepped 45 degrees. I'm gonna now throw my right leg back into a reverse 45 degrees stance. So instead of stepping back into a close triangle this way, I'm still gonna hit that close triangle just in another way. It's a reverse 45 degrees footwork. So I've gone jab, step back, scoop, cut, bisect, step out, cut. As I throw the leg back, I'm going to shoot an angle one down. One more time, jab, scoop, cut, bisect and cut the hand, throw the leg, angle one. Let's go again from the beginning and then continue. So it's a jab, step back, scoop, bisect, cut, reverse 45 degrees, angle one. Now again, I'm going to step open triangle. As I said, open triangle, again, I'm going to imagine an angle one coming from there, maybe with the left hand. As I do that, I'm going to again bisect with that open triangle, except this time I'm going to pull this hand down. As I do that, I'm going to thrust one more time. So I have gone into that reverse 45 degrees with that angle one. I'm going to step across into again that open triangle 45 degrees, bisect, thrust, thrust, the whole grip. Jab, step back, scoop and cut, bisect and cut, throw the leg, angle one, open triangle, bisect, thrust, thrust. And now I'm on the other side. Left leg is forward. So I'm going to go jab, step back, cut, step across, bisect, pull the hand down, cut, reverse 45 degrees, angle one, open triangle, bisect, thrust, thrust. Now I'm on my right leg. Jab, step back, scoop and cut, bisect, pull the hand down, cut the hand, reverse 45 degrees, angle one, open triangle, bisect, cut, cut. Now from this bisecting, pulling the hand down, you can go low thrust, high thrust, or you can go high thrust, high thrust. It's really up to you depending what you want to do. If you have a partner, there's a bunch of other options that this motion gives you. From me pulling the hand down here, I can go hook the hand. This hand can come up with a thrust, and you can go for almost a shoulder lock from here. So this gives you a bunch of options in application. So as you can see, we're working on left side forward, right side forward. We're working that crossing motion. We're working those following motions. We're working a whole bunch of different types of footwork. We're working on open triangles. We're working a reverse 45 degree. We're working what we call a Z footwork. You're working a bunch of different footwork combinations, a bunch of different double weapon coordinations, different levels of targeting. You're using the front edge the back hook, and the tip in this drill. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to add to the discussion, leave that in the comments down below. If you have any requests or questions, requests for future videos, please also leave that in the comments down below. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. Like I said earlier, our residential program is up and running, online classes up and running. So to train with us, hit us up through the email I'm going to leave down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next video.